I'm out at Canterbury Caravans in Bayswater, Victoria. Now they've got a great range of new and used caravans. The good thing about used caravans, of course, is, well, you can hit the road almost immediately. But before you go, you might want to freshen up the van's onboard toilet, and that's where Thetford's Fresh Up toilet set comes in. Let's see what it's all about. So the Thetford toilet Fresh Up set. Now they've got one to suit every model of Thetford toilet. This one suits the Thetford C250 and C260 ceramic bowl model, and what you get in the box is a brand new cassette, seat and lid for your toilet. And of course that's going to make you feel much more comfortable about your second-hand van. It's like having a brand new toilet in 2 steps. So we have all the parts that we need to freshen up our Thetford toilets, and they even provide all the instructions that we'll need. And it looks as though they even tell you the best chemicals to use for your Thetford toilet. Now this bracket is relevant to the C250 Thetford toilet. We don't need this today, so we'll put that aside. And let's see how easy these parts are to fit. Now it certainly doesn't look like a difficult job. It appears as though the only tools we'll need is a flathead screwdriver and an Allen key. Now that was surprisingly easy to remove the old seat. We have the new seat here. Let's put it on and see how easy that is. So with the new seat in place, it's just a matter of fitting the new screws. So we've got a brand new seat on the toilet, the most important part, a brand new cassette. And this really will make it feel as though you've got a whole new toilet just for your van. And the good news is this actually gives you a secondary tank. That way, when one's full, you can put it aside and empty both once you find a dump point. And just a quick tip about maintenance of your Thetford cassette. Always lubricate the main seal with either some olive oil or a water-based silicone spray, and that will stop it from leaking. So look, that wasn't a hard job at all. And at the end of the day, this is just an affordable way to almost give yourself a brand new loo inside your caravan.